Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, you decided to pick up the Galaxy S24 Ultra and you're looking for some cases for it. Look no further. Today I will be reviewing this MagBak case that they sent over to me for review for your beautiful S24 Ultra. I've used MagBak before for the S23 Ultra and I really do like this case. You can basically put this phone anywhere. Like I put it on my refrigerator downstairs and was able to use the magnet on here and had no issues with it holding the phone up. And you can watch videos, do that if you're cooking or something. You can put it pretty much anywhere and the magnet will stay on there and it's strong. But they also do send what they call the mag stick in here, where you can make any piece of furniture or piece of wood, anything MagSafe compatible, your car, so you can put it anywhere and have it, have it as a phone holder, which is really good. I do like that feature on here. And we will test out the case. We'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? Do you get camera protection? How strong is that magnet really? Do you get lip protection? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. They also did send me out this MagBak Wallet, and it's a leather wallet, so we'll check out that too in this video. I will have links in the description. If you look in the description, there will be a code for 15% off, so you can definitely pick it up using the link and the code and save you some money. So shout out to them for actually giving that code to my subscribers, so I appreciate that. But nice presentation from them. If you want to pause it, you can definitely do so. It says 9 embedded magnets, 2-layer shielding, 360 protection, 6 feet of drop tested, supports wireless charging, and like I said, it mounts to any metal surface, and the magnet is strong on here. But let's get into it. Nice presentation, nice and simple. So what they do is they give you the case, but then they give you some alcohol wipes. They give you an extra piece of double-sided tape. And then they give you the stick, which you can pretty much put anywhere and make it, comparable for the magnet and have it stick anywhere you want it to stick to. So anywhere, like your car, you can definitely do so. And I might try to get a piece of metal here and we can see how strong the magnet is too. So this is the presentation. I love the presentation, it's nice. But we're not here for just the presentation. We are here for the case itself. You can see that it's smooth, nice looking, feels great. You have the MagSafe in there. It says Advanced Floating Shield. This area is not attached to the case by design. So that's pretty cool. And one thing I noticed is the precise cutouts there. You have the MagBak logo there too. The cutouts look good. But let's see how this bad boy fits. First thing I noticed, I love the cutouts. That is precise. You do get camera protection for all your lenses. You also get lip protection at the top. You get some on the sides of the case too. But you can see you get down there and down here and up there. So you got the lip protection, so if you lay it down, you're not going to scratch up your beautiful display. Everything lines up at the bottom there. The pen is easy to get out. Again, because they give you that indentation there, so you can take the pen out. You have a lot of room for your USB charging port. The power button is nice and tactile. The volume rockers are the same, nice and easy to press. Buttons make a case too. The only thing I'm getting picky with this is give me a ridge power button. MagBak, if you watch this video, just put a ridge design here. I just like it when case companies do that, and I'm going to mention it in every video. So just give me a little texture there, so when I'm pulling out my pocket, I know I'm pressing the power button. The cutouts for the microphone at the top are lined up there too, as you can tell. The case doesn't add bulk. It doesn't feel slippery, but another thing, if they could add some grip to the sides, some type of pattern, anything there, that would probably help with the grippiness of this case. Give it a little bit more grip on there. But it's not bad. It doesn't feel like I'm going to slip out my hand. The overall bulkiness of the case is not bad. I mean, it's not going to add much bulk to your phone at all. The overall fit is pretty snug. Not going to lie, that's a good fit. Same thing around here too. The one test I always go for is, can you and how hard is it to get it off the case? The phone out of the case. And that's pretty good. I mean, that fits really good. So the case overall fits really good. Nice and snug on there. Which, what do y'all look for? Y'all look for a snug fitting case. So this definitely fits that feature. But let's take a minute and look at the wallet. So here is the MagBak Wallet. It has multiple functions in there. You can change the size of the finger loop if you wanted to. It says remove the stitches. Also on the back somewhere, let's see. It tells you can use it for a kickstand. Flip the wallet to use the cards to adjust the angle. You can put cash in there. You can put cards. They also say that for the first couple times, it is really tight. So the cards won't fall out and just go everywhere, which is a cool trick. But here it is there. I do have a card in here, and it's not that hard to get out. It's pretty easy. And then you also have your little finger here thing that you can hold it. And we'll try out how to make it a wallet too. Let's see. I mean, a kickstand. I might have to look at how you can do that as a kickstand maybe. We'll have to look into that really quick. But let's test out how strong. Look. Now, that's not going anywhere, y'all. The magnet is, I mean, it is strong. So if you're going out of town or you're going out on the town and you don't want to carry a heavy wallet, you have the ability to just click this on there and get your wallet going with no issues there. And it doesn't add too much bulk. I mean, because even if you have a couple cards in there, not going to add, you know, it's not going to be over bulky. It's going to add a little bit, but not too bad at all. And then, like I said, if you're watching your videos, you can use this as a holder, which is, I mean, that's pretty cool. So you just have that as a holder, extra grip on your phone. Let's see how we can make this a kickstand really quick. All right, so to use it as a kickstand horizontally, you can just do it like this, and it works pretty good. Vertically, you can have it a couple different ways if you want to watch videos like that, bam, or use your phone. Or I think if you flip it over, you might even get a better angle or a different angle, you know, on here, like a lower angle like that. So yes, you can use this as a kickstand too, which is very cool. Let's check out how strong it is and can your wireless charge. So, yeah, I mean, this magnet is probably one of the strongest magnets that I have tried out so far. Like, it is beast mode, and it won't wireless charge without the charging cable being in there. So you can wireless charge. Now, they say that it is S Pen compatible, so let's see. It's a strong magnet. Let's check out that Forbes. Oh, okay, Forbes Tech reviews. And yes, you can use the pen with the magnet. I mean, as you can tell here, I am using it. I mean, I can even swipe up, but I'm typing, no issues using the pen with the magnet on there too. So again, this is probably one of the strongest magnets that I have seen on a case so far. And I'm trying to find a piece of metal. Give me 1 second too. All right, so in my studio, I don't have a really big piece of metal that I can film, but I found this on here. And you can just tell, you can pretty much put this phone on any piece of metal and it will stick there. So you can use this phone and this magnet on here anywhere. And look, it won't come up. It is secure. So again, it's one of the strongest magnets that I have used for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if you want to pick up this case or the wallet, or both of them, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick up both of them. Look in the description also for the code, and you can save 15% off. It's FORCE15. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at FORCE Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.